You know what? Can we bring the lights down a bit here? Can we make it dark? I'm gonna make it nice and dark here. All the way dark. There we go. Here's what I want to do right now. I want everybody, take out your cell phones, put on the flashlight, and you guys light this whole fucking place up. Just you guys. We don't need lights here. Just you guys. Let's light it up. There it is. That looks good. Keep it coming. I want more. More. Nice. All right. And when we start this next song, I want you to wave them side to side, all right? Hold on a second. Wait till we start. Hold them high. Hold them proud. This song is called Walking Disaster. Right?